everybody, it's Connie with the Artisan Company and welcome back to the channel. Today you saw that I am at the Intergalactic Bead Show in Nashville. So I'm getting ready to go in and see what I can get into. So let's go. Okay y'all, I'm inside. And you can see behind me all these vendors back here. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be fun. I'm looking at them too. It's gonna be a fun time today. So I'm gonna come home with some goodies and we'll get started on some new stuff this week. Bye. Okay y'all, I just came out of the bead show. I went in for bone, but they didn't have it. Nobody had any bone. It's bummed. But, let me show you what I got. And I don't normally buy crystals at shows, but look at these. These are vintage Swarovski crystals. And look at this one. Oh my goodness. Vintage Swarovski. These right here are between 1938 and 1942. I think she called it Gervais or something like that. And then these were called Starlight 1942. Oh, guys, that was the find of the day. I'm just thrilled. I'm stoked. So yes, we will be doing something with these guys. All right, my wallet's way too heavy. I'll see y'all tomorrow to see what's on the desk. Bye.